Hey there, Audi S3 fanatics. It's Peter, your Audi S3 fanatic. So it has been 1 week since I had the ceramic coating installed on my S3, and I wanted to provide you guys a quick follow-up video to the ceramic coating. What you will see is how water reacts to the coating, and in a nutshell, you're just going to see it bead and sheet completely off of the paint. That result is very typical of any good nano/ceramic coating that you put on the paint job. Now what I will do also is I will try my best to provide you guys a month update, possibly a quarter, and maybe a 6-month follow-up video on the ceramic coating so that you can see how it's doing. Now I've had ceramic coating on all my vehicles, and frankly, it holds up very, very well as long as it has been installed properly. Something that detailers who install ceramic coatings may neglect to tell you is you do need to maintain it. And what that essentially means is when you wash your car, every 2 or 3 washes, you want to put a re-energizer or some type of refreshing spray on the ceramic coat just to kind of continue that good hydrophobic properties that the ceramic coating offers you. Now that's not too difficult to do. You wash your car, you dry it, and it's almost like doing a spray on wax job. But that should definitely keep the ceramic coating lasting for quite a bit of time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you the results of a week's worth of ceramic coating. I wanted to give you guys an update on the ceramic coating after a week. This is just a very unscientific show, and as you can tell, the water just runs pretty much right off. It just literally sheets and goes right off the car. You can kind of see this film that just runs right down from the water. In my opinion, pretty damn good. This is the car after a wash. Now I have not dried it at all. I just drove it in from the sunlight, but this is what ceramic coating does to your car. It beads really nicely. It's still really nice and smooth. And still looks really good, as it should. We'll go to the roof line here. And that is very typical of ceramic coating.